Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about how to make the most of the small bedroom. I know that small bedroom can be a challenge, but there are few things you can do to make them feel more spacious and inviting. Tips for making a small bedroom feel bigger. Here are few tips for making small bedroom feel bigger. Number 1 is use light colors on the walls and furniture. Light color will help to make the room feel brighter and more open. Number 2 is keep the floor clean. Clutter can make a room feel smaller, so try to keep the floor clean as much as possible. Number 3 is use mirrors. Mirrors can help to reflect light and make the room feel bigger. Number 4, add vertical spaces. Tall bookcases or a headboard can help to add vertical space to the room. Number 5. Number 4 Number 5 is use furniture that is multifunctional. A bed that can also be used as sofa or a desk that can also be used as dining table can save space. Declutter. Get rid of anything that you don't use or need. This will help to free up space and make the room feel more organized. I hope these tips help you to make the most of your small bedroom. With a little effort, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to decorate your home. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and be sure to share it with your friends and family members.